Hi guys, my name is Anjana. I'm mother to a 2-year-old Ira, and in this space, I try to share my motherhood and parenthood experiences so far. एक topic जो मेरे दिल के बहुत करीब है and is something that I'm doing is bringing the elements of 90s parenting into my current parenting in 2026. I am somebody who tries to do informed parenting, but also the kind of parenting that occurs to me naturally, that goes by my gut feeling. मैं बुक्स पढ़ती हूँ, मैं आर्टिकल्स, पॉडकास्ट ये सब करती हूँ जो मोस्ट मिलेनियल मॉम्स करती हैं. बट आई थिंक something that's letting me go one step further in this parenting journey is the fact that मैं अपने gut feeling को भी बहुत follow करती हूँ और अपना common sense apply करती हूँ. And that's where all the 90s parenting wisdom comes into the picture. Everybody, have you realized that everybody today talks about how the parenting a generation before had a lot of flaws? Like अगर आप सोचो तो आज जो adults therapy ले रहे हैं, like it's literally a joke. All of them are being told that it was childhood trauma. So what are we saying? The parenting before us was not as good? I think I would like to first of all start by saying कि our parents, I think with the limited knowledge that they had, the limited exposure that they had, I think they did a brilliant job of parenting. आज इतना information है and we are still like not acing it, right? We still complain about being parents. The kind of people they have raised, the millennials, I think we are very, very emotionally strong. We are very, very accepting of situation changes and I'm proud of that. I think millennials will agree. So I wanted to talk about all the beautiful 90s parenting things that I have brought in my current 2026 ka parenting. And why not? Let's acknowledge all the things our parents did right and needs to be repeated and done in our parenting. Number one and topmost is frugality. I think आज के generation में buying power इतना है, इतना capitalism है. It's very difficult to keep your child away from things like toys or shiny things, lots of clothes, and I think as parents we also tend to behave ulta, which is like मुझे नहीं मिला मैं अपने बच्चों को दूंगा. But I think me and my husband Shashank kind of have this principle कि just because तुम्हें नहीं मिला, don't go and buy it for your daughter. Just don't go to the toy store to satisfy the child in you who did not have as many toys, because I am in 100% support of frugality. So to practice frugality, stay away from impulsive purchases. हम अपने आप को 2 बार क्वेश्चन करते हैं, do we need it? आजकल ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स भी बच्चों को बहुत गिफ्ट करते हैं, बट हमारे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स इतना नहीं करते थे. लाइक दे वुड डू इट इन अ लिमिट. मेरी बेटी के ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स को भी हम बताते हैं, याद दिलाते हैं कि you know what, you did this right when you were a parent. Please repeat it. आप यही पास कीजिए. Second is screen, which is like the obvious problem of our generation. There is screens everywhere and it's very difficult to keep your child screen free. I had a couple who was visiting me और उनका बच्चा 8 साल का है and they gave me this really nice advice. They said, आज स्क्रीन ईजी लग रहा है बट नाउ शी इज अ टॉडलर, पर जब ये बड़ी हो जाएगी और जब इसकी पढ़ाई का समय आएगा, शी विल नॉट वांट टू स्टडी बिकॉज उसका अटेंशन इतना होगा ही नहीं. शी वुड वांट अ स्क्रीन अराउंड हर. 90s के पेरेंट्स एक इंटेंशनल स्क्रीन एक्सपोजर करते थे, राइट? वी हैड टाइम्स कि 5 से 6 खेलना है, 6 से 6:30 तुम फॉक्स किड्स देख सकते हो, व्हाटएवर यू वर वाचिंग. समर वेकेशन में यू गेट एक्स्ट्रा 1 hour. घर पे टीवी था, but what was our motivation to switch it off and go play? So that child did find other things lucrative and that's what we are doing. We might not have mohallas and gullies जहाँ पे बच्चे खेल रहे हैं और बच्चे को आप कितने भी ग्रुप्स के साथ भेज दो, ज़माना थोड़ा बदल गया है. But at the same time, I try to organize play dates, meet friends. Also, घर में, like Shashank and I play with Hira. Like for example, today is a Friday when I'm shooting this video. She will set her feet in this house at 5:30. From 5:30 to 6:30, we will just play hide and seek, run, silly games, stop, statue. Then we will play magnets. The whole idea is to make everything else in the world so lucrative and wanting to do it, so that they stay away from screen. So yes, while there's a big TV behind me, this is something that we practice with Ira. We don't say screen ban. We say today is Saturday. You get to watch 2 episodes of Puffin Rock. And she stops at the 3rd. Sometimes she's a child and she does not want to. But again, that's how they learn discipline. You tell them, no more. Or you put a timer. Outdoor play. I think it still matters and it still matters in 2026 and it's still the best way for a child to grow. It also promotes riskiness, right? कि बच्चे को गिरने दो नेचर में, गंदा होने दो, पानी में घुसने दो. Shashank and I have been practicing this a lot. कि अगर वो अच्छे कपड़े पहन के गई है, बाहर मिट्टी में खेल रही है, me and my husband are just sitting on a bench chatting, just catching up a little bit on life. It's fine. क्या होगा? गंदी हो जाएगी. We will put her clothes in washing machine. हमारे parents हमको कितना गंदा होने देते थे, हमने कितने घुटने छिले हैं, कितने दाग हैं. And I think that is important for a child. So we promote outdoor play. चलो घर से बाहर निकले, जाओ खेलो. So over here, pause and think, well, 90s parenting all bad because हम घर में रह नहीं सकते थे, right? I wish my child can do that too. Gifts that are useful. And I'm guilty of sometimes giving very flashy gifts to people. But I think it's always important that when you're gifting other people and when you're gifting a child also, see if it has some use. This is something that we learned in our household and I am sure most millennial kids have it. मेरे बचपन में बर्थडे का गिफ्ट होता था एक नोटबुक, अ सेट ऑफ पेन, कलर्स, शायद ही गेम्स आते थे और अगर गेम्स भी आते थे तो दे वर बोर्ड गेम्स, यू नो, थिंग्स दैट हेल्प यू डेवलप इंटेलिजेंस और ब्रेन गेम्स. I think that is something that I am still practicing and now I am also getting in a habit of practicing it with other people. When I give them something like winter aa raha hai, maybe they will need an extra pair of jacket. Or let's give them a bath toy that the child can actually use because flashy tables or flashy light and show toys to sabke paas hai. Or give them a set of books. I mean, childhood can still happen through colorful items or colorful toys or things that also promote some kind of activity, right? You could provide a child. One of my favorite gifts that we have got is a magnetic board where she writes and she's been writing on it for like 1.5 years. वैसे करके वो पेन पकड़ना सीख गई है. So yes, it's like gifting slate and chalk as a 90s kid. Home cooked meal and familiar flavor. I think this is something जो मैं mention तो कर रही हूँ, but I am almost confident that it's a very common thing in the Indian culture even today. I think Indian moms are known for their dabbas. Yes, that's something from 90s that I would like to bring. I think our parents were very smart. They did not have separate kids menu and stuff. They tried to bring as much home cooked as food as possible. Now that was not always the case. Like हमारे ज़माने में कुछ मिलता था जो था Cerelac, जो बच्चों को बचपन में खिलाया जाता था. I think at 2, I feel like while I'm thinking of 90s parenting, I'm also trying to be practical. At 2, I think Ira still has like very strong rejection to food. She's that way. But हम लोग धीरे we are trying to bring in our own food. Like if we eat home cooked pizza, we make it for her. The other day Shashank made dosa for all of us. So I'm trying to promote that. I think our parents were wonderful at feeding us home cooked meal. Just rejects the whole idea of serving my child store cooked food, French fries, frozen food. Maybe sometimes when you're stepping out, you should be a little bit बच्चे को थोड़ा मोड़ा खाने दो. But I think I see a lot more families these days eating at a McD. One thing from 90s that was really big was कि आज घर में special fish curry बना है. आज Sunday है, आज mutton बना है. Yeah, I don't know, maybe vegetarian households में there'll be a particular kind of sabzi that was made. I would like to bring that. Ira छोटी है. She's still learning to eat independently. But I would like to make home cooked meals big. कि आज Sunday है, आज fish curry बना है, हम सब खाएंगे. As a 10-year-old, I know the kind of fish that was there in the market. Rui Mach, Ilish Mach, Rohu, Hilsa, Hindi Bengali names. Another point is letting my daughter absorb multiple generations. When we open screen, we try to go towards some video which is like an AI vomit. It's like so common to like have AI videos everywhere. I am trying to take her a generation back and I have been successful. Showing her black and white songs. The other day, she was humming to the tune of Dadi Amma Manja. Ira knows Lakdi Ki Kathi as a song. It's not like I'm selling her my nostalgia क्योंकि वो मेरे बचपन का गाना है. I am just trying to intentionally take her a generation back and let her consume slow media जहाँ सब कुछ इतना fast नहीं था. And like for example, the song by Lata Mangeshkar which is like Thandi Hawaein, I think it's one of the most melodious Indian songs. The song that is the Friends song that is Lavi and Rose, it's one of the melodious and सबसे ज़्यादा covered Friends song. She listens to Beatles as much as she listens to Ashok Kumar. I think it's great to expose children to some great historic epic stuff out there and you don't have to rush to a Cocomelon straight away. Your child will surprise you. Another thing is respect and empathy. I think our generation is really good at it. However, I try to draw a line. Our generation is notoriously known to be pushovers who also respect toxic relatives, toxic love, entertaining people. However, we did learn to respect. We did learn to empathize with situations. I would like to do that with my daughter and I'm already practicing it. 90s में people, the whole society was very open society. People would just help people. हमारे घर सामान आ रहा है, कॉलोनी के एक अंकल को दिख गया, वो पहुंचवा देते थे. So I can't control the society, but I can go and behave like that in the society. I can hold the door for somebody. I can help someone. I can say please and thank you. If my friend gets hurt, I can say, are you okay? घर में अगर चोट लग रहा है, are you okay? Rather than laughing, ha silly, you fell down, so funny. And there is a fine line कि गिरने पे कितना empathy दिखाना है और कितना pity दिखाना है. बच्चे गिरते हैं. Every time I kiss her, hug her and say, oh my baby, she is gonna become weak. But you okay? Asking that works. This one is from my mother-in-law and my husband. I like to say my husband is a very non-stereotypical man. Millennial man. He's very good at crafts. He's very good at art stuff. And I think all of that comes from the fact that his mom, my mom-in-law, was very, very big on home crafts. And she passed it on to Shashank. और कैसे किया? Because Shashank मुझे बताता है कि ये लोग बैठ के साथ project करते थे as a child. I think I will pass it on to my child. And I know every parent intends to do art and craft with their child, but not like one weekend project. Like make it a regular thing. Perfect about the 90s, making a lot of home crafts. Taking this moment to mention all those ice cream stick vases and pen holders that we have seen in our generation, which were like just so amazing. Physical freedom. अगर ईरा public place पे होती है और गिर जाती है, it's okay. As far as she is not hurting, running to the road, we let her fall. We ask her, you okay? We ask her to get up, खुद से उठ जाओ. Because that is one strong point about 90s parenting. हम गिरते थे, हमको चोट लगता था, हम घर जाते थे, डेटॉल और बैंडेज लगाकर वापस प्लेग्राउंड में. Like we were never injured enough to not play, right? Or not go to school or skip school. Like I am already doing that with Ira right now. She's a toddler. She doesn't have to be extra like princess. No, you're not a princess. Just fall down and get up. If it's hurting, tell me. I will do something. As a parent, I will keep an eye on you. Because सड़क पे गाड़ियाँ बढ़ गई हैं. I'm letting her have risks, have a fall down. Let her lick the escalator handle. I know, dirtiest. But she picks her up germs. And then she gets sick and she builds immunity. Boredom. We don't entertain her all the time. And when she's bored, she doesn't have to watch screen. She doesn't ask for screen. She knows screen specific time पे मिलता है. TV Saturday को 2 episode मिलेगा. Sunday को no TV. Sunday is no TV day for us. ठीक है, हम बाहर जाते हैं. But there are times she's bored. उसको कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है, उसको खेल खेल के वो बोर हो गई है. They are allowed to be bored and they should get bored sometimes. It is important that they are constantly not engaged or entertained. Because life is going to be like that. Sometimes you should have the patience to sit with your stuff. Responsibility through small tasks. I don't know what you guys did in your childhood, but मेरा रूम कोई साफ नहीं करता था. मेरे कपड़े मैं खुद आयरन करती थी. शायद कभी कोई हेल्प कर दे अगर if I'm not feeling well. I think we were very responsible as children. And I think I would like to do that with my daughter. Abhi when she plays, she has to pick up her toys. What we do is offer her help. A lot of times she says नहीं करना है. Then we say, okay, you can do 10 minutes later, but karna hai. So it's like a negotiation. Same thing that happened in 90s. Of course, 90s mein pad bhi jata tha, but our parents did expect us to clean our study table ourselves, our books ourselves. And I'm just trying to inculcate the mini versions of that in a 2-year-old Ira. Of course, she's gonna grow up, become smarter, understand better how to keep her things in place, but she's already doing it and I'm not surprised. One such example would be when we go to the bookstore. They have like these areas जहाँ आप बैठ के थोड़ा book पढ़ भी सकते हो, right? Before you buy. She gets excited, so we tell her one book at a time. We tell her, you can read as much books as you want, baby, but one book at a time. She comes, reads one book, इसे उसको रखोगी, तब तुम second निकाल सकती हो. And she practices that. Now she is automated and she's been doing it from 1.5 years. So in conclusion, yes, a lot of 90s things were flawed. वो हमारे generation का भी publication कभी निकलेगा ही. But I think a lot of 90s parenting is worth storing, cherishing and using in life. Then now it's your responsibility to do it. So we can't shut our eyes to the 90s gyan. It's at home. It's available. Just use it. That was my perspective on all the 90s parenting and handpicked stuff I would like to bring to the 2026 parenting. Let me know in your comments what's your opinion or what are some parenting things that you have adopted from 90s. See you again in another video. Bye. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.